5 p.m.
Celebration.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it really is truly nice to have you all here. We've been looking forward to this, and we always have our fingers crossed about the weather. So we're delighted that this has worked out so nicely. We were worried for a while we couldn't do our bonfire because of the drought. But we've managed to get through that with 3 inches of rain last week, so we're good to go. So we're going to start this evening with a brief member meeting. How many people here are members of Birdsong? Quite a lot. Very good. So that's enough to do our item of business, which is an election. And the board of directors of Birdsong has prepared a slate of nominees, 2 people, for you to vote on, yay or nay, on accepting this slate for these 2 women to become board members at Birdsong. So they have been already approved by the board, and let me tell you who they are. We have Laura Smith. She's a scientist at Jones Ecological Research Center. She's been there a very long time. She does amazing research on reptiles and amphibians and the longleaf pine ecosystem. And if any of you have ever been on a gopher tortoise program here at Birdsong, anybody? You've been out with Laura already. She's the one who's led those for us and represents the Gopher Tortoise Council and is keeping records on how many tortoise burrows we have and so on at Birdsong. But she's an excellent teacher, very wonderful scientist, and we look forward to working with her. We also have Sue McFadden. Laura's from Bainbridge, by the way. Sue McFadden, way over here. Sue lives in Thomasville, and she's the owner of Casimir Press. And she is helping us, her expertise is with website development, marketing, branding, and she's helping us with all of those things right now. If you have seen any of Birdsong's MailChimps in the last 2.5, 3 years, they're thanks to Sue. That's her style and her good work that we appreciate so much to get the word out. So what I would like for you all to do is give me a yay or nay answer. Do you, as members of Birdsong, accept this slate as presented by the board of directors to have Laura and Sue join the board? Yay? Yay! That's not yay, it's aye. I personally say yay. Okay, any nays? No? Okay, so we're very happy to welcome Laura and Sue to the Board of Directors. And next I would like to introduce Ian Edward Wier and his friends, and they're going to do some drumming for us.
Okay, thank you. We're part of the community kind of drum circle. We play at Lake Jackson. I get together and play like once a month or twice a month. So we're just gonna play some music for you. Goodbye, Travis. Got the hip recorder. Maybe
organic.
Santana.
That's a one of a kind.
It's definitely organic.
I'll be all loud in the video.
You wait till we get by the fire.
Oh yeah. You got some more, further out. I think you had the right angle, Perry. Alright, here we go.
We posted still keep going in.
Oh yeah. You guys wanna play some? Wouldn't be a good cinematographer if I didn't get the sun in there.
And it's pretty. I like the bells. Yeah.
Silver bell. No, I think we got one more. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna bring it up, and then you guys follow me. I think we got one more before Toma. Okay.
I thought we were up.
We got another 2 hours, guys. Come on. All right, so I'm gonna play a groove I like to play. I studied African rhythm and also music from gamelan at FSU, and I've always loved kind of world music, and this is like a pattern that I like. where it's at. Thank you all.
I know, it's live.
I would like to present to the stage Atma Ferry.
Hello, everyone. I'm thrilled that the percussionists are here and that they're playing. My body needs them. They're the heartbeat of the earth. And you see the trees were dancing a little bit as the sun is setting. It's so wonderful to be together. I noticed your polite false applause for the percussionists. Can we have a little more applause for the percussionists? This is a Becky Reardon song and the first starlights. Is there a starlighting yet? Probably during this song, the first starlight. The Executive Director at Birdsong for an official welcome and an explanation of the important upbringing ritual before we have some more music.
Thank you very much, Velma. Thank you very much, Ian, and all your friends. All are amazing. This has been exactly what I personally needed. To have you all here, to be enjoying Birdsong and everything it has to offer on a night like this, with really good friends, new friends, old friends. This is a delight. And we are, as you know, heading toward the end of our cycle of the year. We've got one more week before the actual solstice. But this, for me, is so important for us to get to that point where we can, tonight, light the fire, call the light back in for the coming year, and move on with a new phase of our lives on another ride around the sun. So we appreciate you very much. Thank you, Velma. And thank you, Ian and friends. You really brought us to a nice place. Our bamboo ritual. We will be lighting this bonfire. I wanted to explain this briefly. Alan has created this fire for us. We had to really restrain him a bit this year. After last year, which I think was twice as big as that, and it was going strong, quite wonderful. But we had a drought, as you know, and we were really not sure that was even going to happen. But we've got it'll be a nice hot fire, I can promise you, because he made it that way. So, the bamboo ritual was something Betty Kamarik taught us, and her way of approaching this was, I'm sure it's an ancient tradition, but we'll offer you a piece of bamboo, and her way of dealing with it was, you think of all the things that were difficult for you this year, the things, your challenges, anything you'd like to just as soon forget and move on from, put all that in the bamboo, and we'll throw it in the fire, and it'll explode, and all your worries are gone. You go into the new year with a clean slate. Another way we can do this is to consider think of all the wonderful things you want to see happen this year for yourself, for your family, for the country, for the world. And you can put all those marvelous, inventive desires into that bamboo and throw it in the fire, and that will explode, and the universe will take notice, and your dreams will come true. So kind of handle this any way you like. So what we'll do when it's time to light the fire, we'll need to let it burn up and burn down a little bit, and then we'll offer you a bamboo stick, and I'd like everybody just hold on for a little bit, and you can get in a circle around the fire, and then we'll give you a sign, and you can toss the bamboo, and we'll see how much explosion we get. There's all the desire here and all the things you want to get rid of, but it's probably be loud. Okay, thank you.